Okay, pretty typical problem here. We've got a mic being dropped. It has a mass of 0.6 kilograms. Starts out 1.5 meters above the ground, and they're asking us how fast is it going. Okay, if they're asking how fast, they're going to be asking about the velocity. The only equation that's going to let us solve for the velocity is that kinetic energy equation. So K is equal to mv squared divided by 2. We're going to have to find out, let's see what we know. Okay, we know our mass. Obviously we know 2. We're looking for the velocity. We don't yet know the kinetic energy. Ugh, how can we figure that out? Well, when it's up in the air, the mic has potential energy. When it hits the ground, all of that potential energy will have turned into kinetic energy. So if we could know the potential energy at the top, we can know the kinetic energy at the bottom. So what is that potential energy? Potential energy is equal to mass times gravity times height. So potential energy is equal to, our mass was 0.6, g is 9.8, and the height is 1.5. So our potential energy at the top is 8.8 joules. So that's how much potential energy was at the top. All of it's going to turn into kinetic energy by the time it hits the bottom. So we can take that and say, all right, our kinetic energy when it hits the ground is going to be 8.8 joules. That's where we got it from here. Is equal to our mass of 0.6 v squared divided by 2. 0.6 divided by 2 is 0.3 v squared equals 8.8. So we're going to divide by 0.3, and we get 29 point, oh wait, no, that's right, 29.3 equals v squared. Now we got to take the square root of both sides. So we're going to take the square root, answer. And 5.4 meters per second. And yay, you found the velocity. Yay, I'm done. I get to go to bed. Good night.